Hey crafty friend, it's Justine. I am doing a haul today, so let's just jump right into it. I bought a whole bunch of things from Spellbinders and I haven't really looked at too much of it, so I'm just going to grab it out of the box here and I'll show you what I got. Let's start with some Glimmer Foils. And this one is the variety pack of the pastel, I'm pretty sure. Satin Pastels variety pack. Those are so pretty. And then this one is the Starburst. Okay, so we have Starburst, Crimson Stars, Emerald Facets, and Prism. So I think it goes from one way to the other. I haven't tried any of these foils yet, so I'm very excited to try them out. And this one is so cute. This one is a variety pack of teal pink. So teal pink, silver holographic speckle, and silver holographic facets. Almost said faucets. That would not make any sense. And the way that the light catches that is just so pretty. So I am just so excited to try these out. This one has a fuchsia flower, which I've used that one before. Moon Dust, Speckled Aurora. I haven't tried Speckled Aurora, but the regular Aurora is so pretty and I love using that one. And then Prism, which I have never used either. So we have some Glimmer Foils. Oh, two more. Lavender Petal. So this is the purple that is not, I think this is matte, if I can kind of tell here. I think that's matte. And then maybe not. I'm not sure. I probably would say matte if it was. Anyway, Lavender Petal, and then this one is Moon Dust. And I guess I didn't realize that I got a Moon Dust and a Moon Dust, but it's really pretty and I'm sure I will use both of them. Next, I grabbed some Distress Oxides because I'm still trying to build up my collection with those. Here's Scattered Straw, Warren Lipstick, and Spun Sugar, Wilted Violet, Hickory Smoke, Spiced Marmalade, Salvaged Patina, and my last one was Antique Linen. So I know I grabbed quite a few here, but I really am enjoying ink blending and working with stencils, so I figured why not. Now I also grabbed some shaker covers. These are from Waffle Flower. Spellbinders is a distributor for them, so I picked them up as well. And this one is a slimline panel. So this is for a 3x8 slimline. This one's the A2 size, and this is the full cover. They have an A2 size that's, well, it can go on A2 size cards, but it's a 1/4 of an inch smaller around each side. This one is a shaker cover with 3-inch circle. So you fold all these little pieces over and it makes a really cute circle. This is probably going to be a short video because, you know. Anyway, some embellishments I got. Of course, I had to pick up this one. I've got this a few times now. This is probably my 3rd pack of these, and I just love adding these to cards. I love that there's a lot of little ones because it's really easy to mail when they're little, and I just like that there's a little variety. This is the Crystal Mix, so it has the opal ones at the top and then just the regular crystals. And these ones are pearls, which is so pretty. They're called Fashion Oyster. And then these are the opal. So I got a full page of the opal because I love them. They're so cute. And they're so perfect for adding on to really any project. I also picked up this, which is the Best Ever Craft Tape. I've had a few rolls of this now. This is probably roll number 4. And I opted to get the 5 5/8 inch roll, and this is 20 yards, it says, so this definitely lasts me a long time. I really do enjoy using this for die cutting and for glimmering. I basically use this when I glimmer every time because I use the hinge method for glimmering, and this tape works very well. Let's see, I don't even remember what I all ordered. I was actually very surprised in how fast it came because usually the shipping is a little bit longer, but you know. Okay, now these, I've never tried these. They have a mini prills, and I bought these because oh, that just spilled everywhere. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna keep that closed for now. But I bought this to add onto my 3-dimensional flowers that I have been working on. If you saw a few of those videos in, let's see, I think those were posted in March. It's now April. My brain's in May already, but yes, March, with like the hibiscus and, not hibiscus, what was that called? Southern magnolia. I'm looking at it in the corner of my eye here. But these prills are perfect for putting on realistic flowers, and I thought I would pick up some yellow ones because yellow is a common color for flowers. Alrighty. I also grabbed some Nuvo drops. I have, let's see, I have 2 Nuvo drops, so I don't have a ton of these right now, but I figured I would grab a couple more. I have the one that's called like Snow Dust or something, and then the black. This one is Midnight Blue that I just grabbed, and let's see, Morning Dew. So it's kind of like a clear, white, opaque kind of a dauber. And you guys, the tops of these are just so cute. Anyway. And last but not least, I grabbed this adhesive combo pack. Now, I've tried so many different forms of embellishments in the past, and you know, I've tried the cheap ones, I've tried the expensive ones. They all kind of do the same thing. So right now I have a huge hoard of these, the Ad Tech tape runner glue, just because my craft store had a big sale on them, so I grabbed a ton of them. But I was curious to see what the Spellbinder ones were like, because if you know anything about me, I'm a little bit obsessed with Spellbinders. I'm an affiliate with them, so I like their products, but I figured I would just give it a try. So let's see, this comes with the tape runner itself, and then it comes with the refill. So, you know, I always like a refill because I feel like it's wasting less plastic. A lot of these, I mean, you can refill these, but it's the same price to buy the refills. But it's sometimes, I don't know. I don't know about pricing, so I guess I won't speak on that. But, you know, these can come out and you can refill these as well. But I don't know. I haven't found a good one yet. So perhaps these will be it. So I don't know. We'll see. I'll give you a review, I guess, the first time I use these on a card. But I'm not paid from Spellbinders to say, like, I love it, or to really give opinions, I guess, because the opinions that I have are my own. So if I like them, I'll tell you, and if not, that's just the way it is. But I'm assuming it's similar to other tape runners, but we'll see. Okay, and then there's also some foam squares, and it comes with the large and the small. So let's just open one package just to see. Oh, it's perforated at the top here. Okay. I've never used Spellbinders foam either. I'm assuming it's very similar to other foam. I guess I've used, you know, these that come in the card kit, but they come off really smoothly. So yeah, those will be nice to use. These are the large ones, and the small ones are probably similar, I would assume. Let's just open it up. I don't know. Why not? Oh, those are cute. Now these look a lot like the ones that come in the card kit. Oh, they're actually just a tiny bit smaller. Can you see that? Maybe that's a little easier to see. Just barely smaller. Let's put one in there just for fun. What do you do for fun? Make videos and talk to people on the internet about craft supplies. There we go. Oh, I like that I put that in there because you can see the dimension. So the foam squares that come in the card kits are definitely a little higher than this one. So it's a little skinnier. Interesting. Good to know. It's nice to have a whole sheet of the littles. Okay. Well, that's it for this haul. I hope you've enjoyed. I haven't really done a lot of hauls because I don't know if people like them or not, but I don't know. I'm curious to know what you're buying. Right now, Spellbinders is having a huge spring warehouse clearance sale, so if I can get my act together and post this video during that sale time, I'll have a link to that sale in the description. But otherwise, I hope you all have a great day, and I hope you got in on that sale because everything is like crazy discounted. So hope you've enjoyed that sale. Anyway, too bad I didn't order this before the sale. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. I hope you get to craft soon.